Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to set an alarm on your iPhone 16 Pro. So let's get started. Start with opening the clock application and click on the alarm and click on click on plus icon and select the desired alarm time. When you click on the plus icon, you can see a new interface just like that. Here choose the repeat function if needed, and if desired customize the alarm sound, and finally set a label that will be displayed when the alarm goes off, and press the save key. Okay, after when you save the alarm, you can see your alarm has been set. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.